Hakasantrik unai lor kari barok kawai kajukan mau ya kani kesngi kum kesngi krau ki Nonghikai leni kesngi buram ki Nonghikai bat ki balaju khot yaki kum ki kimi ki kpa baar jang ki khna skul namar kajing shakri jang ki yaki khna ha kapule puthi bat ka akor ka buram ha kani kesngi ru ke sarkar jilla Meghalaya kala Rakhe kani kesngi kum kadak kajing buram yaki Nonghikai kabala pelong ha susu tham auditorium ha kabala wan ban Shim Bynta lang do menteri ke sarkar jilla badai pej ikatanat kapule puthi urakam e sangma ringkat u advisor kapule puthi ke sarkar UHM shangpliang bat kiwi ki he sarkar ringkat ki Nonghikai ni skul beper bat ki khna skul ki bala ai kajing penbernia
in all his future endeavors.
You kept me working so long when I knew you were never wrong. You were tough with me and pulled my arm. You never gave up on.
So the project that we'll be launching is Samagara Shiksha website and the Adopt a School web portal.
Education which is in success in all future endeavors.
Shri Ivani Mukhi, Assistant Teacher, Government Girls High Secondary School, Jawara. Srimati Ivani Mukhi has completed 25 years of dedicated service and is actively
abilities. These two are engraved in our minds and our hearts from the moment we were called to the profession. So with great humility, I want to say thank you for appreciating and recognizing our efforts. Being a teacher does not come with an expiration date. We are called to inspire, to be role models, to be leaders, and to guide. Whether it be in our own classroom or in the sanctuary of our own homes. Moving forward, we still have mountains to conquer and valleys to explore. With the upcoming implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 in our state, the teaching community will have to work together more so than ever, supporting our learners in this paradigm shift. Because our common objective is for the future and holistic development of our learners.
All the teachers of all levels of all districts across the state and across the country. May your service and may your dedication will always to be remembered in the days to come. One thing in the teacher's profession that it happens. One thing I see in the teacher's profession is there is one thing that teachers never fail. As a teachers, we never fail. But as a teacher, if somebody fails, he is and she is extraordinary, he is exceptional. So when I was in class 10, there was a science teacher. So we, as a students, we always used to ask a question. So how did this happen? This formula applied, all that. So there was a teacher. He was a science teacher from, I think, Ramagogis from Uttar. So I asked, sir, how did X come from? I was in Hindi. So X kahan se aaya? So I was impatient. So he said, he was impatient and he got angry. And he answered, Asman se aaya, Asman se. He don't respond to me. So sometimes we as a teacher may be impatient, but it is not the quality of our teacher. So as our this spoke today, the commitment and responsibility is the full present proposition of any teacher. My dear friends and my dear students, a teacher's profession is a blessing from the above. I want to remind each one of you to be a teacher, to be a proficient. Let us remind together it's a responsibility, it's an assignment from the above. That we always to be faithful. Because if you fail as a teacher, if we don't justice to the students as a teacher, we are spoiling, we are destroying the future of our children, the future of our society, and the future of our state, and the future of our nation. Therefore, as a teacher, when we are committed, when we are responsible, we always see the result. We have seen the narration story of Praveen Bakshi just after a few minutes ago. When we see some students, and his testimony says of that kind, I am here because of Almighty. If the testimony of the student doesn't well sound, teachers will cry. It's not about the salary, it's not about the attendance, it's not about something else. The success and the satisfaction as a teacher is the only way we see the best, the performing results of our students. When we see our students performing well, when our students are doing well, excellent well in different assignment, different sector, then as a teacher, you will feel it. Today I will tell my testimony, research and training. Would like to wish on this auspicious occasion from the bottom of our heart to all my dear teachers, a very, very happy teachers.